how we doing? I'm vlogging the best vlogging tech show. This is my friend Marty. Today we're working on his GMC. Unfortunately, as you can hear, the fan is constantly running. Bad temperature sensor. So how much is that, bud?
About 30 bucks.
30 bucks. You see there, it's just a copper bung. Comes with a pre-sealing gasket, and now it's raining. So cool stuff. So we'll pull it in garage, get this guy out, get this one in. Get back to you in a second. Intro. Cut. Hi, I'm Flock from the Best Vlog Tech Show. Normally here on this channel we do repairs, reviews, and that sort of stuff. Today my buddy Marty, he gave me a call and his Acadia was having a little bit of a trouble starting. So this is a little bit different than what we normally do. We replaced a temperature sensor in it. Let us know in the comments what you think. Let us know if you like this sort of thing, and if you do, maybe we'll have more coming your way. So, I'm Flock from the Best Vlog Tech Show. Let's get into it. Your finger's in the way. Okay, cool. Hey everybody, welcome back. So here we are, we're gonna go ahead and pull a panel here, just for you. And we're gonna pull this panel here. All right, so we can actually see what we're working with. And our coolant temperature sensor is gonna be summed down in hell. So give us a couple minutes where we can figure that out, and we'll get that bitch out of there. All right guys, we got the original sensor out. It was a pain in the dickle. Well, I'm gonna show you how you can get it out of there a little bit easier. I heard some people, they take the wiring harness and disconnect it along here. I didn't have to do any of that. But anyway, this guy here is just jacketed. Just slide this guy up, a red tab in there, push the button, pull it off. We had to go get another socket because ours wasn't deep enough, but anyway, 3/4 inch or 19 millimeter deep well, slide it on there, pop, Bob's your uncle, it comes on off. So we're gonna go put the new sensor back in. There's no gasket material needed. It literally has its own crush ring washer. So.
How much does that cost?
Marty, how much was that for you?
30 bucks.
30 bucks. But that's an OEM style one. Go ahead and slide this back in the wrench like this and get it back in there. Start it with your fingers. Do not. Oh wow, that's way easier to see than I thought it would be. There's an open hole right there. The angle, it shouldn't be too hard to get. Turn it backwards until you feel it skip a thread. Like that. And turn it forward. There we go. It's going in nice and easy so we know we aren't cross-threading. We get to the bottom. Now, I'm not using a torque wrench. I don't know what the torque specs are. I'm not even going to tell you what I think they would be. But I'm just going to go ahead and just turn this down just a little bit. About right there. That's it. That's all it needs. Now we're just gonna put our red lock back in, which I'll go grab, and then we're gonna slide it right back onto the connector, slide the jacket back down, put our plastic panels back on, and we're done. That's it, reassembled. So now the button cannot be pushed and it can't fall off on its own. Put the wiring right back down where it was, on top of our thing. It only goes on one way. There we are. There you go, Super Chieftains. Now you know how to change a sensor on the GM. All right, guys, what it wasn't doing before, when he turned the key, it would randomly just crank and not start. He'd go to start it a second time and it would fire up. Usually he took it down to the advanced auto parts, put it on the computer, and it said it was a bad temperature sensor and low on coolant. We go ahead and fixed both of those things. Go ahead and start it up, Marge. Cool, so that'll take care of our check engine light, that'll take care of our issues and the starting. Go ahead, shut it off, turn it back on. Cool beans. All right, so we're in good shape. We'll go ahead and put our plastic back on. Thank you. All right, so this was a 2015 GMC Acadia. This was Marty, and Josiah's behind the camera. I know we didn't really go into much detail in this one, but just wanted to see if it's a little bit different than our normal stuff. Let us know in the comments if you think you want more of this, and well, we love you.